Okay, guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So, in this video tutorial, we will learn about how to make any component invisible or visible within VB.NET. So, how we can do that? First of all, we need to click on File, go to New, and click on Project. Okay, File, New, and then click on Project. Here we need to click on Visual Basic, Windows, and Windows Forms application. We can also change the name of the project if you want. Here I am not changing. Click on OK. So here we will go to Toolbox. We will take one push button and we will take second push button, that is button 1 and button 2. So we will double click on push button 1 and here we just came into the callback of this push button. Okay, so here we will write, okay, whenever the button 1 will be clicked, then all the statements within this private sub and end sub will get executed. So here we will write button 2 dot visible is equal to false. Button 2 dot visible is equal to false. So what will happen when we will double click on push button 1? This statement will get executed and it will stop, and it will be not showing to us then. Okay, like button 1, when we will click button 1, we got button 2 disappear. So in this way you can also use it for button 1 dot visible is equal to false, and if we use to write delay threading dot thread dot sleep like this, and here if you want 2000, that is this is for actually delay of 2000, and again after 2 seconds if you want to make it make it visible, then we need to write true. Okay, so for 2 seconds it will be disappeared, and then again it will come on the dashboard. So okay, now you can see that push button disappeared and then appeared. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.